This is the afternoon weather video briefing. This is for Friday, the 9th of August. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather kind of hot, kind of dry today. But over the weekend, the dew points come down. That means lower humidity values and cooler nights. We're expecting 60s in many areas by Sunday and Monday morning. And of course, our eyes are on the tropics. So let's talk about the situation this afternoon. This is the upper air look. And we note that vortex north of the Great Lakes, and that's going to be propelling a dry front down in here tonight. And again, that's going to bring drier air to the deep south tomorrow and Sunday. Not necessarily cooler, but drier, so it's going to feel better. And the remnants of Debbie moving up through New England. Check the visible satellite view this afternoon. The sky is mostly sunny across the state. Got a field of cumulus clouds, and so far, none of those have formed into showers. We're live here at 2:55. Nothing happening on radar. Temperatures about where they ought to be for this time of the year, but we do note a few spots in North Alabama only in the 80s. For example, Cullman, 86, Haleyville, 86. That's the air behind that dry front. Huntsville, 89, Birmingham at 90. And then down to the south, we have mid-90s for Montgomery and Mobile. Around the nation, still some flash flood watches from the coast of the Carolinas up into parts of New England, and we note a tornado watch. The counties in yellow there for parts of the northeast United States with the remnants of Debbie, where there is a risk of a few isolated tornadoes up in New England through tonight. Also a couple of marginal risks far to the west. Tomorrow, Saturday, a marginal risk over the western high plains. And on Sunday, day 3, no severe storms expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Not much at all. Basically, very little. And again, there could be a few isolated showers by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. But whenever we say isolated, that means most places will not see rain. So in the tropics, again, Debbie is a post-tropical system that is inland, moving up into New York State, accelerating to the northeast. The next wave is about halfway between the coast of Africa and the Lesser Antilles. And the National Hurricane Center giving this a 60% chance of becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm over the next 7 days. And the latest 12Z ensemble output of the European looks like this. And again, the European ensemble has 51 members, and all of them except 2 recurve this in the Atlantic east of the United States and east of the Gulf of Mexico. We've got 2 members that bring it up in the Gulf, but that's why you like the ensembles. You just consider those outliers and you're looking for the mean. And again, clearly the mean of the ensemble members, it is a turn to the north before reaching the Gulf and before reaching the United States. So at this point, if this thing develops, it looks like it will stay out to sea. Could be close to the Bahamas, though. And of course, obviously, our friends in the northern Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, we'll have to watch this thing carefully. But again, for Alabama, it looks like this will not be a factor for now. But hey, we all know anything could change. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got that nice vortex north of the Great Lakes. And again, a very dry air mass in place. It's going to be a very nice day. Now, the high will be around 90, but again, this is precipitable water tomorrow. And you see the shades of green in here. That is dry air, really dry air north of us over the Great Lakes. But again, that's going to set the stage for a nice day. Sunny, lower humidity, the high close to 90. Sunday, we start the day in the 60s for a little hint of fall. Sunday will be a sunny day, and again, the high close to 90. Monday, sunny with low 90s. Tuesday, a sunny day, mid-90s are likely. And again, there's evidence we'll start to introduce the chance of isolated showers Wednesday. This is Wednesday of next week, but again, I don't think it'll be widespread. Same thing on Thursday, and this is a week from today, Friday, August 16th. We've got troughing over the eastern states, and again, there could be a few isolated showers, probably not that many. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, August 19th. 594 heat ridge centered over Missouri. Now, the GFS wants to bring the tropical system really close to the east coast of the United States. It's got the thing near the mouth of Chesapeake Bay, around Virginia Beach. But again, I stress you don't look at deterministic model data like this when you're looking at something 10 days out. You've got to look at the ensembles. And again, if you missed it, that's the set of GFS ensemble members with our tropical system. And you can see most all of the 51 members keep it offshore, east of the United States. But as always, we'll watch for trends. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble for the next 15 days, valid between now and the 24th of August. The mean is still a little under 1 inch, not much, but we do note there is a larger spread in the ensemble members. In fact, some of the ensemble members are up there toward 5-6 inches, and that expresses some uncertainty in the longer range, but the mean is what you're looking for, and again, for now, it still looks pretty dry. Temperatures for Birmingham coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. 90 tomorrow and Sunday, 92 Monday, then mostly low to mid-90s for the rest of next week and that following weekend, the weekend of the 17th and 18th. Again, we've got 60s Sunday and Monday morning, then 70s for the rest of the week, and hot off the presses. Got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for August 17th through August 23rd. And if this verifies, temperatures here could be a little above average. All right, got a book signing tomorrow coming to Greene County. And on top of the book signing, it's a bonus here. Hey, I'll be doing a little miniature storm spotting session. And I've said it on here before, I'll say it again. We do not have enough storm spotters in counties like Greene and Pickens and Sumter and Marengo. We'd love to see you there. I'll do that miniature storm spotting class for just 30 minutes at 9 o'clock, and then at 9:30 we'll have the traditional book signing, and this is going to be at the Young Community Center on Greensboro Street in Utah. And, of course, at the book signing we'll have all the cool weather stuff, all the great weather shirts. We'll have Weathering Life, which is my story. All You Can Do Is Pray. That's the book about April 27, 2011, the generational tornado outbreak. We'll have our Benny and Chipper series for kids. The Wonder of Thunder, Prepared Not Scared, Greendale Tornado. Those are great books for kids. So come see us. We would love to see you there. We have a lot of fun. We take a lot of pictures. So again, that's going to be in Utah, Greene County, Alabama. Tomorrow, the miniature storm spotting class starting at 9. Book signing 9:30 until 11:30. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening right across the hall here in Studio A. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.